Yesterday around 2:30 in the afternoon, it was noticed that water has clogged inside the Pernam tunnel. It's between Madurai and Pernam section of Konkan Railway. And because of this, traffic was disrupted. Many trains were stopped and regulated at different stations along the Konkan route. By 10:15 in the night yesterday, this problem was sorted out and traffic was restored. But again in the early morning at around 3 o'clock, again water was seen oozing out. And this is probably because of heavy rains in that area, Pernam area. So again, traffic has been disrupted on Konkan Railway. And because of this, we have cancelled some of the trains and diverted some of the trains. The cancelled trains are CSMT Madgaon Vande Bharat Express of today, then CSMT Madgaon Jan Shatabdi Express, CSMT Madgaon Mandovi Express, then Madgaon CSMT Mandovi Express, then 22120 Madgaon CSMT Tejas Express, 12052 Madgaon CSMT Jan Shatabdi Express. These are some of the trains cancelled. Likewise, today's Goa Sampark Kranti has been cancelled. Then today's Matsaganda has been cancelled. Then today's CSMT Mangalore Junction CSMT Express that has been fully cancelled. Then Madgaon Diva passenger has been cancelled. And those trains which were held up en route, those trains which were beyond Pernam towards Bombay side have been taken back towards Panvel, and they have proceeded via diverted route. And then trains which were held up beyond Madgaon towards south have been taken back towards Mangalore, and they have been diverted via Shornur and that route on other railways. So we are expecting restoration by evening of date, and hopefully we hope that traffic will get restored.
So, what provision has been made for the passengers who just entered in?
Yeah, those trains which have been cancelled, those passengers will be getting full refund. And some of the trains we have terminated at Sawantwadi, so we are getting those passengers by bus to Madgaon, and from here we'll put them in a other train and take them towards Mangalore. Specifically, I am talking about 2619 Matsaganda Express.
Okay. So by when this will be sorted out? Any idea?
Hopefully by evening of day.
Today evening.
Yeah, today.